My name is Natalie Ingram. I'm the summer director of the Kids College Youth Theater program for NPC. This is my first summer doing this. We do a week-long program where we put on an entire play in a week. We start on Monday doing auditions and then cast the show, and the rest of the week we practice, and they put on a show for the community on Saturday night. We have 49 kids in our cast, ages 6 to 16, and they're a ton of fun. This year we're doing Annie Kids. We have 2 students playing Annie so that more kids can get an opportunity, and it's so much fun to see them take their characters, give them a costume, give them a character, act it out, and it teaches them courage, it teaches them to memorize, it teaches them how to kind of work on their own and be upstage on their own and have to figure out how to fix something if they mess up a little bit and roll with the punches. We've done a lot of rolling with the punches this year, and I think they've just done fantastic.
Hi, I'm Hattie Atkinson. I'm going to be a freshman in Blue Ridge High School next year. The reason I chose this play was because I've been in 2 other plays and I really wanted to be in this play. So the reason I wanted to be in Kids College was because I previously was in Code Annie and it didn't work out, and it was really fun, so I really wanted to be in this play. My favorite part is probably working with new people and making new friends. Thank you, Natalie, for being such a good director, and thank you, NPC, for this opportunity. I had so much fun.
Hi, I'm Davin Palmer. I'm going to be a 7th grader at Sholo Junior High School. What inspired me to do the camp this year was to enhance my skills in theater. My favorite part of the summer camp is being able to sing solos and work with new people. Thank you, Natalie, for putting this all together. This was really fun for me to do. I'm really excited for the play. Thank you, NPC, for this opportunity. I had a lot of fun doing it.
I'm Bronte Ludwig. I am from Sholo, Arizona, and this is my 4th play. I've joined this class because I thought Annie would be a really fun play, and I thought it would be a really cool experience. My favorite part was Hard Knock Life because I don't know, I like the part when they're like cleaning everything. I just like all like the sound effects, you know, like when they're like stomping and stuff, yeah. Words of encouragement for some parents. The theater camp is a really fun activity to do because a lot of the kids, I feel like you can be really nervous at the first part of it, but it's like a really good experience to get the kids to like get to know each other. And at first it'll be kind of scary, but then a lot of them will like learn to bond with each other. But I think it's a really good experience to get more friends and have like more of an understanding for theater camp. So I think it was really cool. I think Natalie's a really good play director. She's just really nice, and she plans stuff really well, and I think it's crazy how she got this play going over 1 week, and I think she's a really good director.
My name is Molly Ellsworth. I go to Snowflake High School. I've been doing plays for 7 years, and I really love doing it. So Annie has been one of my favorite plays forever, really, and I was so excited to find out that it was Annie, so I decided to do it. My favorite part of this so far is just the whole thing. I love the singing parts and when you block it out, and I love seeing it all come together. I encourage every parent to have their children do this because this is such a learning experience. It teaches your kids to listen and to memorize things. It really teaches your children to work hard. I'm so very grateful for Natalie. She's such an amazing person, and she's doing so good at helping us all to be able to do the best we can, and I'm grateful for NPC to be putting this on and Snowflake High School for letting us use their auditorium and mics.
My favorite part of doing this and working with kids is they get to play pretend, which is the very first game that kids play. They get to play pretend, and they get to get up on stage and do something scary, and they show so much courage doing it, but they're also doing something that is so natural and so much fun to them, and I love to see them portray their characters. The benefits of the Kids College are the kids get to be associated with the college. They start seeing the college as their own environment and start feeling welcome there and knowing that that's somewhere they can go as they grow up, as they get older, and as they explore the things they want to do in their life and in their future. Just want to give a big thank you to NPC for this opportunity. It's been so great, and to all the parents that have just been so welcoming and just rolled with all the different things that we've had happen and the changes throughout the week and just the swiftness of this schedule. It's been kind of a whirlwind for them and me and everybody involved, and I'm just so grateful for the opportunity. It's been a great experience.